qualified baby massage and baby yoga instructor. And in this section, I'm going to talk you through some prone positions for your baby, balances, and a little bit about the sensory system as well. So prone positions for your baby is just a fancy term really for having baby on their tummy. So we can bring baby over the legs, like so. We're bringing the chest onto the outer part of your leg, and we're making sure that baby's arms come over the side of your leg as well. Baby's head can't drop here, it's nice and supported by your leg. It only gives them the opportunity to slightly raise their head and build that core strength. So we're giving them that little bit of extra tummy time by putting them in these positions. We're going to try a movement here called a mini cobra. So we're going to keep one hand on baby's back, so we've got them nice and supported. Your other hand is going to support the bottom of baby's legs around their calf and ankles. And then we're going to slowly bring baby up diagonally and then back down. So we're giving them that nice little tilt. And we just start nice and gradually so baby can get used to that motion, and we take it nice and slow. What we're doing here is we're helping to support baby's strength through their arms. So we're giving them the opportunity as we raise them up to start to put those hands down. Don't worry if they don't do it immediately. It might take a few goes for them to realise that they can do this. And of course, we've got to wait till baby's arms are long enough to reach the floor as well. But when they do, it will help to build up that strength through their arms as we bring them up and down and bring those raises. We're then going to have a go at our sausage roll movement. So this one, we're going to bring baby rolling down our legs. We're going to have one hand on the outside of baby's body and one hand on the side towards nearest us. And we're going to roll baby nice and slowly with lots of smiles as they go round, talking to them all the way down to the bottom of your legs, and then all the way back up. Again, lots of smiles for baby as they come all the way up. These movements in baby yoga, it's really important to keep it nice and fun for baby. So adding some songs in is really helpful too. So for example, when we're doing this one, we could sing the Wheels on the Bus as baby goes all the way down and comes all the way up. That's the perfect length of song for that movement there for baby. We're also going to have a look at some balances for your baby. So we're going to have baby sat on the outer part of your leg with their legs coming down over the side here. This is their sitting balance. We can then bring that into a seesaw balance. So we're going to bring one hand on baby's chest and one hand on baby's back. And we're going to gently rock them forwards and backwards, allowing them to feel that sense of balance as they come forwards and back. Once your baby seems happy with that movement, we can then release that front hand slightly and just allow them to pass through both hands, getting used to that sense of balance and freedom in between the hands. All of these movements in baby yoga really help support your baby's sensory system. So when baby is born, their sensory system isn't fully developed. If you think about when baby's in the tummy, they're nice and cocooned, they're warm, they're fed all the time, their needs are constantly met. When your baby is born, they are cold, they feel the cold, they aren't fed as quickly, so they feel hunger. All of these new feelings come into play, so it can be quite overwhelming for them and dysregulating as well. So our sensory system really comes into play when we are babies and we need to start getting things regulated and get things working together. There are 8 senses. Quite often people think there are 5, but there are actually 8. So we have our vision, our taste, our smell, our touch, and our hearing. And then the 3 that many people either don't know about or forget about is the vestibular system, the proprioceptive system, and the interoceptive system. The vestibular system is found in the inner ear, and that helps to support our balance. The proprioceptive system is all about where our body is in relation to the environment and pressure that we use, so push, pull. And then our interoceptive system is our communication between our organs and our brain. So our feelings of hot, cold, pain, hydration if we're thirsty, all of those kinds of things as well. Our sensory system can only work and help us to feel regulated if it's all working together, and it does all work as one. So lots of these movements that we do with baby really help to build into that sensory system and help them feeling regulated and get used to that idea of where their body is within their environment, get used to that feeling of balance and that sense of their own body awareness.